Wasn't really thinking, wasn't looking, wasn't searching for an answer. In the moonlight, when I saw your face, saw you looking at me, saw you peeking out from under moonbeams, through the palm trees, swaying in the breeze. I know I'm feeling so much more